Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. If you've been wanting to build a stockpile or replenish your existing stockpile in time for winter and to avoid the rising prices at the stores, this is a great time to coupon. Today I have a quick video for you with 5 super easy couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, October 8th at Dollar General to stock up. If you enjoy couponing deals, please don't forget to subscribe here to my YouTube channel and hit the like button on this video. It's greatly appreciated. So let's get started. For our first deal, you could grab 3 boxes of Colgate Total toothpaste for $13.50 and then clip the $5 off a 3 Colgate coupon. Grab one more of the Colgate Total toothpaste for $4.50 and then clip the $1 off of 1 Colgate Total toothpaste coupon. And then finally grab 1 Colgate Optic White toothpaste for $7.50 and then clip the $3 off of 1 Colgate Optic White toothpaste coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.50. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, that brings our final total down to just $11.50 plus tax out of pocket for everything. That's a $14 savings with this deal. For our second deal, grab 1 Shea Moisture African Black bar of soap for $6 and then clip the $3 off of 1 Shea Moisture coupon. Grab 1 Nivea Lip Care for $2 and then clip the $1 off Nivea Lip Care coupon. Next up, grab 1 Aquaphor for $5.75 and then clip the $2 off of 1 Aquaphor coupon. Grab 1 Eucerin Lotion for $5.75 and then clip the $3 off of 1 Eucerin Lotion coupon. Next, grab 1 Airwick plug-in for $2.25 and then clip the $1.50 off of 1 Airwick coupon. And finally, grab 1 Febreze plug-in refill for $5.50 and then clip the $2.50 off of 1 Febreze plug refill coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.25 with this deal. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $9.25 plus tax. That is a total savings of $18. This is a really great deal. For our third deal, you could grab 1 Shea Moisture African Black bar soap for $6 and then clip the $3 off of 1 Shea Moisture coupon. Grab 2 bottles of Nivea lotion for $10 and clip the $3 off of 2 Nivea lotion coupon. Grab 1 more Nivea lotion for $5 and clip the $2 off of 1 Nivea lotion coupon. And finally, grab 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion for $5.75 and then clip the $3 off of 1 Eucerin lotion coupon. When we add everything up before coupons with this deal, our total retail value comes to $26.75. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.75 plus tax. That is a total savings of $16. This is a really great deal to stock up on lotion just in time for the winter season. For our fourth deal, you could grab 1 Airwick plug-in for $2.25 and then clip the $1.50 off of 1 Airwick coupon. Grab 1 of the single packs of Febreze plug-in refills for $5.50 and clip the $2.50 off of 1 Febreze plug-in refill coupon. Grab 1 bottle of Gain Fireworks for $7.50 and then clip the $3.50 off of 1 Gain Fireworks coupon. And finally, grab 1 bottle of BioTrue Contact Solution for $10.95 and then clip the $3 off of 1 BioTrue coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.20. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.70 plus tax. Now, if BioTrue Contact Solution is something that you use a lot of, this is a great time to stock up on it. I highly recommend. It's one of my favorite products, and we do not get this $3 BioTrue coupon very often, so make sure you stock up. Our fifth coupon deal is a really great one to stock up on deodorant for the entire family. Grab 2 Axe deodorants for $5.90 and then clip the $2 off of 2 Axe deodorants coupon. Grab 3 Secret Outlast deodorants for $18 and then clip the $5 off of 3 Secret Outlast deodorants coupon. And finally, grab 1 of the Airwick plugins for $2.25 and then clip the $1.50 off of 1 Airwick coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $26.15. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $12.65 plus tax. That's a total savings of $13.50. What a great deal to stock up on deodorant for the family. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy couponing deals and saving money, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the like button for this video as well. Also, be sure to check out this week's playlist for all of my other couponing deal videos so you can save even more money this week for your family. And I will see you in the next video.